I'm sneaking into the Oxford Center for Christian Apologetics, and they're having a business program lecture right now. So I'm coming into the lobby right now, coming through here, and I'm just swinging around, and we're going to ambush Simon Edwards. There's Simon Edwards filming.
There he is.
Hello, everyone. Dennis Allen with the Disciple Dilemma, coming to you today from Oxford, England, north side of the campus of the Oxford University. And we're actually in the Oxford Center for Christian Apologetics. I wanted to talk to you today for a couple of minutes about the difference between Christianity in the United Kingdom and Christianity in the United States. But first, I want to tell you about OCCA, the Oxford Center for Christian Apologetics. This is a thought leader center. This is a place where people come to explore the deep questions of life. CEO's Charlie Stiles. There's some great names out there. You can find it at occa.org, the OCCA, OCCA.org, and look up what they do and how they can help you in your walk in Christ as a disciple, as a follower of Christ. Fantastic group.